We'll show you how to use outfit codes in Roblox. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you've been given an outfit code, it's a little different from a normal Roblox item. Outfit codes are used inside a specific game. To use one, you first need to search for a game called Catalog Avatar Creator. Simply type Catalog Avatar Creator into the search bar, make sure you're searching under Experiences, and then select the game from the results. Once you've found it, click on it and then press Play. I'll see you once the game has finished loading. Now that we're inside Catalog Avatar Creator, go over to the left side and click on Community Outfits. After that, open one of the categories. For example, I'll click on Most Popular. Next, look at the bottom left corner where you'll see the Outfit Code option. Click on it, enter your outfit code, just like I'm doing here, and then press Enter. The game will show Loading Outfit, and after a few seconds, your outfit will appear. From here, you can save it to Roblox, or if you want to see how it looks first, click Where, and it will be applied to your avatar. Keep in mind that the outfit will only be applied inside this game. It won't automatically be used in other Roblox games. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like.